What's going on, you beautiful bastards? Today, Amber and I... This is a dog toy, Mabel. Unacceptable, baby. But today, Amber and I are going to Ikea. We need a desk for work, and I'm gonna use it as a gaming setup. It's gonna be a gaming desk, just for gaming. Gonna have my monitor on it. I wanna play my games, record content. But we're gonna get our desk for like work and stuff. Bye, Mabel. Love you, baby. Boost. Perfect. Okay, I know I'm dark. We're going into Ikea. If you don't hear from me again, help. It's a Vulcan. You got one? Oh, you're the man. About right here. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Pull this string as hard as you can in a moment.
Pull it.
Yeah.
What do you do?
And then just hold it.
No way.
You don't have to. I got this. Okay, we're back. Amber just said she thinks it's going to take me 3 hours to do this. Also, everybody, it's Billy's birthday, even though Mabel wants all the attention. He turned 4 years old today. He's an adult now, I think.
This letter box is dirty. Did you do it yesterday?
Okay, we got it in. Now I just gotta deck it out with everything, aka the PlayStation. Okay, everybody, got it semi set up. Gonna try to do a little bit of wire maintenance, but let's make sure I still got what it's to. Bleh. But let's make sure I still got my touch, my trigger finger. If not, I'm returning everything. I'll eventually have a chair too, so that'll be nice. Just gotta do a little wire maintenance, you know what I mean?